There's no way they can argue with that. Because I didn't dispute the fact that they're not happy with Acme. I just said, I'll be here when you need blank. Right? In Dave's case, right? Let's say somebody goes, I don't need AI-based note-taking for my physicians. Cool, that is awesome. Right? I just wanted to make sure that you were aware, like every time we add a patient visit to a physician or nurse practitioner schedule, like not only is that more work for them to do, but we're adding more gaps. And when you add more gaps in the day, the gaps get smaller. And we approach a point where the breaks in between patient visits are so small, your people can't even go to the bathroom. I will be here when you need to recapture that 2-3 minutes that they're having to spend on notes. Fair enough? Right? And now that practice administrator is looking at Dave and going, dang, he's got a point there. And I literally, just like Rambo in the night, went into the jungle and put a little trip line up and put the makeup on my face and waited, because somebody's going to walk across that practice administrator's desk and go, I have no time in the day, Sheila. Boom! And I pop out of the bushes with my freaking note-taking solution, right? I don't even have to pop out of the bushes. She's going to come to my bush and shake it and go, Dave or Matt or whoever it was, I want to restart that conversation. Remind me again of what you were telling me about the way for you guys to save the time in note-taking. We got one of our top docs here that's thinking about moving to Montana. I can't have that, right? I can't have that. This is where we have to be able to slow down and not sell them the solution, not sell them the product, but make them aware of the problem, make them aware of the situation, and then say, how are you dealing with that? And if they say, not a problem for me, you just simply go, cool, that is great. I will be here when you need not the product, not the solution, but the gosh darn outcome that you provide. And the outcome that you provide, Paul, is reliability, is consistency. It's the same outcome that Sean provides, and he's on deck next with a question. That's why people do business with Sean. It's not his price, right? They do business with Sean because Sean will take their call and return their call, and Sean's, engaged with them more. Does that make sense? Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.